Hey guys, what's going on? This is my bike check. This is my Subrosa Tiro 2012, and let's start from the front here. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, as you can see right there. Standard brake cable stock. Grant rims. I think this is custom right here. And yeah, it's stock tires. Haven't really done anything to it yet. Pretty loud hub. This is a stock hub. Shadow Conspiracy seat post, as you can see. Everything basically on here is Shadow Conspiracy. Subrosa is a really good brand. You know, pretty sturdy when I got it. Worked perfectly. Sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy again. Back tire. There's the hub right there. Standard stock chain. I'm gonna get a few parts for it. Like some pegs, Shadow Conspiracy pegs. I did get this from the bike shop, as you can see. Oh, and ranch stem too. So yeah, this is pretty much my bike, as you can see right there. Pretty sexy. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality of this. It is high tensile, but the cranks are chromoly. Oh, Shadow Conspiracy plastic pedals work pretty good. Haven't failed me yet. I did get this for my birthday. So yeah, the tires are pretty well built. Rode this thing pretty hard. Have a lot of grip to them, but I probably will change the tires pretty soon and get some custom tires. I don't know about changing the hub. Hub seems pretty good. Just see what happens. And so yeah, here's the hub sound, by the way. You can hear that. So yeah, that's my Subrosa Tiro 2012. Hope you like this review, and peace.